Wetlands are home to unique resilient plants that thrive in challenging conditions. Known as hydrophytes or green architects, these plants adapt in remarkable ways to the dynamic world of wetlands, playing essential roles in ecosystem balance. Unlike land plants, many wetland plants grow fully or partially submerged in water, where oxygen levels are naturally low. In still waters, oxygen dissolves 1,000 times less effectively than in the air, creating a hypoxic environment. To cope, wetland plants have evolved remarkable adaptations. Take the iconic water lily for instance. Its floating leaves absorb oxygen directly from the air, transporting it down to the roots via hollow stems. This allows it to thrive in oxygen poor soils below the water surface. Similarly, cattails develop spongy parenchyma tissue that creates air spaces within their stems, enabling oxygen transport and providing buoyancy. As water levels drop in summer, wetland plants face the challenge of desiccation. Many species have developed strategies to endure these dry spells. The lotus, for instance, stores energy and nutrients in rhizomes, thick underground stems that can remain dormant and sprout new shoots when the flood returns. Other plants rely on seed dormancy. Seeds lie in the soil ready to germinate as soon as the wet season arrives. One of the most remarkable adaptations in wetland plants is heterophyly, the ability to grow different types of leaves depending on whether the plant is submerged or exposed. This adaptation allows plants to survive in fluctuating water levels and even gain a competitive edge over plants limited to either water or land. Many heterophyllous plants produce rounded or elliptical leaves when they grow above the water, allowing them to absorb sunlight efficiently. However, when these plants are submerged, they grow elongated ribbon-like leaves that maximizes their surface area. These finely desiccated shapes improves the plant's access to light and dissolved nutrients, which are scarce underwater. In nutrient-poor peatlands, some plants have developed carnivorous adaptations. Bladderwort, for example, has tiny bladder traps that capture small aquatic animals. These plants absorb nutrients from their prey, which helps them survive in soils low in nitrogen and phosphorus. Wetlands host diverse plant communities, each with unique ecological roles. Emergent plants like reeds and rushes anchor the soil, reducing soil erosion and providing habitat for wildlife. Floating plants such as duckweed creates a protective mat on the water surface, sheltering aquatic organisms. Meanwhile, submerged species like hydrilla oxygenate the water, benefiting fish and the underwater life. Through their adaptations, these green architects support the entire wetland ecosystem, maintaining a delicate balance between land and water. Their resilience and ingenuity reminds us of nature's incredible capacity of adaptation, ensuring that wetlands remain vibrant, self-sustaining environments.